Welcome back to our channel. Again, this is Herminio, and today I'll be presenting to you the major sociological theories, at least the introduction of these three major sociological theories. So, shall we start? By the way, there are three major sociological theories: the interactionist perspective, the functionalist perspective, and the conflict perspective. Now, if you're new to this channel, I'd like to invite you to like, subscribe, comment, click notification bell, and choose all for you to get updated for our next videos. Now, the interactionist perspective theory is a micro sociological theory. Now, sometimes it is also called as the symbolic interactionism theory. The symbolic interactionisms of the community creates definitions and meaning. Take note of this because this is one of the central idea of the symbolic interaction theory or symbolic interactionism theory. As a micro sociological theory, the interactions of community, the theory emphasizes the symbolic interactions of a community, which creates definitions and meanings within that group, within the society. Now, self is influenced by the interaction. The, the interaction between groups, between people, between individuals influence the self, and it is influenced by the way others labels us. Take note of that. Now, sometimes we are known not because of who we are, but we are known how people label us. Now, labels from other people provide us with a new view of ourselves. Now, after people will give us the label of who we are, then we also create and conform to those labels, and we identify ourselves with that. So take note of this, that not only ourselves, but in the sociological perspective, what forms us to be who we are and how we look at ourselves is also the society where whom we interact with. The second theory is the functionalist perspective. It is a macro sociological theory. It emphasizes on interconnected relationship between various systems within a society. So now this is one of the two macro sociological theory that I am presenting in this presentation. Now, take note of the emphasis. If the if the symbolic interaction theory emphasizes on smaller groups, on a micro level, between interaction between individuals, and how how we are labeled by the groups, by the people whom we interact with. This one is a little wider and bigger because it emphasizes the relationship between various systems within society, like how religion and the state relate with each other. It also tries to look into how the school relates with the family. It also concerns of how part and a whole influence each other. And the last is it shows the cooperative picture of a society. It shows how each part of the society as a whole are connected with each other. Now, the last one is conflict perspective. It is second macro sociological theory in this presentation of these three major sociological theories. So take note, it is easier to understand the theories, the three major sociological theories. One of it is the micro sociological theory, and the rest, the second and the third, belongs to the macro sociological theory. Now, this theory originates with Karl Marx. It shows that society being composed of different groups, and these different groups have different interests, and they are in conflict with each other. Marx, understood this in his book, The Capital, that there are two groups in the society. There are two classes in the society: the proletariat and the bourgeoisie. The proletariat are the working class, and the bourgeoisie are the capitalists, and they are always in conflict with each other. They are two distinct, different groups that they cannot be with each other. They cannot agree with each other. They are in constant fight with each other. So again, to review, there are three major sociological theories. One of it is a micro sociological theory, which is number one, the symbolic interactionism theory. Then we have The second one, uh, the functionalist perspective theory, and the third one, the conflict perspective theory, or the conflict theory, originated by Karl Marx. Thank you for watching, and again, like, subscribe, comment, and click the notification bell for you to get notified on our future video. See you and bye.